Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're unboxing and trying on the Rains mini backpack in the color black. Now our first exposure to the Rains brand was actually with the Hilo Weekender bag, which we have a video of posted on our channel. And when we discovered that these bags actually came in a backpack, we were really intrigued. So we ended up purchasing this mini backpack in the color black for my husband and a micro in the color pink for myself. So focusing on this mini, the main pros are obviously the material. It is the Rains typical material on the front, while you have this kind of canvas type of material on the back with an inlaid zipper pouch closest to the back for all of your valuables. I thought that was a really great pro for this backpack, especially in light of the micro backpack, which does not have this additional pocket. So you can see my husband has already started to use this backpack, which is a great opportunity to show you how much can fit in here. If you've seen our unboxing of the micro backpack, you'll recognize this interior of the one separation pocket, which we have been using to store our laptop or other things that we want to kind of keep a little bit closer to the back, as well as one zipper pouch, which is a little bit harder to see on this black on black material, but it does go quite far down. You can see I'm kind of measuring the depth here. Now, one additional con is actually the clasp itself. I do think it's a little bit easier to function on this mini backpack, but the micro backpack is quite difficult. All right, now if you're like me and you're deciding on whether you want to purchase this bag or not, and if so, which size you want, you're going to value this side-by-side comparison. So this is the micro backpack in the candy pink held up to the mini backpack in the color black that we just unboxed. You can see that the size is very different. You can definitely fit a lot more in the mini backpack, but we ended up choosing this micro and the mini pairing because of proportion and based on, what I would be carrying versus what my husband would be carrying, and the weight of, even if we are able to carry a little bit more, the straps and the construction of the bag are not exactly very supportive. So keeping all of that in mind, we just wanted the essentials with this bag. Okay, so first up we have the pink micro backpack for myself, and you can see that this really is a good size for me. It fit a small laptop, an iPad, a notebook, a few additional papers, and of course in this small zipper pouch I was able to fit my wallet, keys, phone, etc. Now checking out the mini backpack on my husband, you can see that this is a little bit more proportionate for him. Of course, he was able to fit all the items that I just mentioned and still had room for more. That's all for this try-on. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.